Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matt Beans. I want to tell you how paying yourself as a business owner on a W-2 and as an investor in the business, this is separate things, is going to increase the value of the business should you ever decide to exit or sell your business at some point. So here's why. Right now, most business owners, you probably, when you pay yourself, you just either you're on a W-2 or you just pull money out when you need it. Maybe you're on salary. Those are the three most common ways people pay themselves as a business owner, right? So what we want to do is we actually want to create two positions for you. Now you can wear both of these hats as the operator of the business and as the investor in the business. Here's why you want to pay them separate and when you want to pay them separately. As the operator in the business, you should essentially be on payroll. This is a W-2 position, as if you hired a CEO and they are working in this position. This position is the investor. This is the person that has come in and invested money into the business or somehow earned equity in the business as a shareholder. And this is paid just like every other corporation you see on the stock market. These dividends are paid every quarter. So this is paid quarterly as a profit distribution to investors, and this is paid every bi-weekly or twice a month, depending on how you run payroll. This is paid on a W-2. Here's why you want to do that, because when you are selling your business, somebody is going to have to buy that business. When they buy that business, they're either going to have to do one of two things. They're going to have to do what you're doing, and they're going to have to work that position as the operator. Most people that buy a business do not want to do that. So they have to hire a person in the operator seat. They want to be the owner investor. They want to get paid on the profits of the company. So right now, let's just hypothetically say, running your business, you're making $300,000 a year as the operator and the investor. Awesome. If we're looking at that, let's just call that your net profit or EBITDA. We're not going to get super technical here. Let's just say your profit is 300 grand, and so you can sell in a 3x multiple, $900,000. Awesome. Now you have a $900,000 sale for your business, not including assets or anything. We're keeping this very simple. Now somebody comes in and they are shopping your company. They like these numbers, but then they realize that you are both the operator and the investor. So in order to hire somebody for this operator position that you're leaving, right? Like you're selling the business and you're gone. So they need to come in and then they need to hire somebody for that position. That position is going to need to get paid $100,000 to $150,000 a year, depending on the size of the company and how many responsibilities there are. So that position, let's just call it 150 for the sake of numbers. Now your profit of 300,000 that you're making, because you're operator and investor, is now there's a $150,000 expense for the operator, and the profit is now $150,000. So now on a 3x multiple, your business is only worth $450,000, and you just cut in half the value of your business. Let's reverse engineer what we want to do in our business. We ultimately want to build an asset, a business, that we want to sell. So we need the right processes, procedures, and people in place. So we need to create the right process and procedure to pay this person as an investor and pay this person as the operator. And the way that we do this is we use banking structure. So I preach this. You have an income account, and then that income account gets distributed. I've made multiple videos, and one of those accounts is profit. And there is now a system in place to where profit is guaranteed for the owner investor, and there's a position in place for not for the owner operator, but for the operator of the business. They are two separate positions. Just because you're the founder or the owner of the business as also the operator does not mean they should not be paid separately. They should be, and the reason why is for business valuation when you're ready to sell. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.